Hello. I thought I would actually try and demonstrate how long exactly it takes to do the Satsman.com missions on a daily basis. Now, I've been doing this now for over 90 days and I am stacking Satoshis at a daily rate and enjoying every minute of it. What I'm going to do is I'm literally going to time how long it takes so that we don't need to speculate anymore. I've just logged in. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start a stopwatch. As you can see, we have a stopwatch here on screen. I'm going to start now and then zip back to the missions and begin the exercise. So here we go. The clock is running. Let's go back. Click on the missions button down here. I'm doing this on a desktop, obviously. And mission number 1, Sats price discovery. I click in there. You can see the Sats calculator. I click on that and it's asking me how much is $12 in Satoshis. So I put $12 in there and it tells me 17,590, and I click that and then complete the mission. That one's done. Moving on. Fact of the day. Bitcoin transaction finality is probably I can't even read. Anyway, but becomes practically irreversible after 6 confirmations. What's the answer? After 6 confirmations, obviously. Complete mission. Click. Move on. Third mission. And these are the only things you have to do, these 3 missions, if you want to make sats every day. How has Bitcoin changed your worldview? That just wants my opinion. And I'm going to go for open my eyes because there's no right answer here. And complete mission. That's done. Quick. Back to the stopwatch. Pause. Okay. 1 minute and 10 seconds, and that was with me jabbering on through the process. So as you can see, it's about a minute. Now I should just qualify that a few things here because I don't want any cynics having a go at me. I am a Pro Max member, so if you're a free member, which is fine, you will have to watch about 40 seconds of quick ads between each mission. So it's going to take you that 1 minute and 10 seconds plus about another 1 minute 20 seconds. So you might as well say 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes is nothing. I can't drink a cup of coffee in 2.5 minutes. And what I do is I literally, generally speaking, in the morning, one of the first things I do is I make a cup of coffee, I sit down and I do satsman.com. Now, if you're a Pro or Pro Max member, you also get to do the Sats Cipher, which is a wonderful 5-letter word puzzle. I love doing that as well, so I would go on to do that. But that is optional, as you can see. And those 3 missions, if you get into the habit of doing that daily, you're going to earn Satoshis every single day. And you're also going to build up streaks. Streaks are fabulous because they actually add quite significantly to your Satoshi rewards. So if I click on rewards here, you'll see streak bonuses there. I just recently hit the 90-day one, so I got 9,000 sats the other day. I opened an email, that was good to know. So 9,000 sats, what that effectively did, by the way, is it added 100 Satoshis to each day I'd been logging in and doing what I just showed you live. So there you go. How long does it take? There's the evidence. If you're a Pro or Pro Max member and you don't have the ads in between, well, I could have done that in a minute, 60 seconds, quite easily. Now, just to finish off, a reminder that membership of satsman.com is free. You can join free and stay free forever. And there are various ways to increase the number of Satoshis you earn every day. And we're all going to be different. So I'm making no claims about how much you can earn, but do think about this. It's not about what the price of Bitcoin is today. While Bitcoin sits at this relatively low price compared to where it's been in the past, you are stacking more Satoshis than you would be if the price was higher. And once you have them, they are yours forever. So think about the value of Bitcoin potentially in the future and how much those Satoshis you're stacking today could be worth.